What is special about Indian architecture? That it is derived from nature. Indian temple architecture connects us with nature, with the earth below, with the sky above, and with all the five elements, with the Panchabhutangal, the Agayam, Katra, Nerappa, Neer, and Nilam. And how do we manifest these elements in our temples? The large, spacious corridors of temples is the Agayam element. The breezeways and the corridors within the temple are specifically designed to maximize the cross ventilation. We all know that temples are aligned with the sun, that every Indian temple has a specific way to frame the sun through its architecture. Water is an indispensable component of every Indian temple. And finally, the material, the stone itself represents the earth. So this is how Indian ancient architecture is completely derived from nature and connects us with nature. But we visit temples once in a while, and what do we feel? We feel a deep connection with nature. We go to temples because we feel a sense of peace and joy, and we go with our families. So that is our togetherness with the family connect. Now, even though we visit temples only once in a while, what is the one building that all of us visit every single day? It is our home. So can our home be a temple? Be derived from the same five principles, the five elements which have designed the Indian ancient temple architecture. I want to tell you a story about these two sisters, both doctors from Jipmer, who came to me one day and said that even though their current house had cost them 2 crores to make, they were not at all happy in that house because of 3 problems. There was no natural light. Their mother was facing problems with her eyesight because right from 6 in the morning till 10 at night, they have to be in artificial lights. It was hot and stuffy, and electricity bills were through the roof, and in spite of that, no respite in summer heat. They wanted a house which was the complete opposite of their current house. And that is exactly what we built for them here in Pondicherry near Sharanam. So we designed their house, culling all those same 5 principles of temple architecture into their house. This central space, the Brahmasthanam, as per Indian Vastu Shastra, we designed it as a large, double-height, clutter-free, spacious space, the Agayam element. We maximized the cross-ventilation, and all of us have learnt in physics that hot air rises to the top so that the cool air comes from below. So we left escape windows at the upper level so that a convection current gets set up with the cool air coming from the lower windows. As soon as you open the main door of the house, you see the sunrise. This brings a great sense of positivity to the whole place. Just in front of the main veranda, a beautiful lily pond. And the central piece of the whole house is a rammed earth wall made with natural soil of different colors, the earth element. So this family, after moving into the house, told me that they feel the same 3 things that we all of us feel inside a temple. Connect with nature, sense of peace and joy, and togetherness with the family. In addition, they are also saving 50% now in electricity bills alone because they don't need any artificial lights during the day, and AC bills are down by half. So what is the difference between their old square foot box and their new home? The amount of material is the same, the square footage is the same, the labor employed is the same, the cost is the same. The magic lies in the design of how these 5 elements have been put together.